Hey y'all, welcome back to another video, or welcome to another video. Today, we're gonna be doing the live event. So I know many of you hate whenever people be talking when you're trying to watch an awesome event. So guess what? I won't be talking. I respect y'all. But anyways, it's gonna be completely unedited, no clips, no cuts. It's just gonna be that. It's it. I hope y'all have an amazing day. We're gonna watch this video, and bye-bye. Alright, y'all. 47 more seconds, and it just told me to go up in here. So we're gonna wait a little bit. And guys, just a quick heads up. I will not be talking during the actual event. I'm only doing that because I know some of y'all hate whenever people be doing commentary. Cause like I don't like whenever I'm watching a video and somebody pauses the video whenever I was like trying to look at something. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna be respecting y'all. Excuse me. And I'm just gonna not talk. Because I've already seen the live event. Why not, like, let y'all experience it? Because, like, that's mean. But anyways, I'll stop talking.
Welcome to Gorilla Corp, where we're creating a better tomorrow for all monkey.
Greetings, monkey. I know you want to know who I am. Don't worry. You'll find out soon enough. But for now, let's focus on Gorilla Corp. None of us can trust them. They aren't trying to make our lives better. And today, we're going to prove it. Chloe has been helping me uncover the truth. She discovered this entrance to Gorilla Corp's restricted tunnels. Tunnels they don't want us to know about. She's already inside. We want you to go in and help us find out what's really going on. Let's find out why Gorilla Corp really wants to dig deeper.
Over here! Did the masked monkey send you? You're not gonna believe what I found down here. Hurry up, follow me. Keep moving. We gotta stay ahead of Gorilla Corp. Being a monkey rebel is hard work. You feel that too? And the floating. Weird, right? I knew we couldn't trust Gorilla Corp, but this is worse than I thought. Did you make it? I know there should be a button in here somewhere to open the shutter, but it's disabled. Let me see. I'm pretty sure this will do the trick. Got it. You should be able to open it now. I knew they were up to something, but this is even bigger than I imagined. How many eggs are there in here? We have to tell every monkey about this.
Intruder!
They found us!
Activate the alarm!
You all get out of here. Spread the word. I'll distract them. Hurry, get out of here before they catch you.
See? What else are they hiding? Tell everyone. We need to know what they are planning. We need to...
Alrighty, y'all. There you have it. I hope you all have an amazing God bless day. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Comment down below and join my Discord server. Bye-bye.